everybody, welcome to Vlogmas day 14. Busy morning. I've gotten up and I've made dinner for my family. I've got a pot of rice here that is ready to go. I've also made a small pot of green beans with some onions and bacon, a little butter and Szechuan seasoning. And then I have beef tips and gravy over here. And this is going to be their dinner. The time right now is 10 o'clock sharp. So that means I am done and I am ready to go upstairs, change, and get this day started. I've got to get to the school and we've got some work to do. All right, everybody. So right now I am in Walmart. I'm getting a few things that I need for the show before I head up to the school. I got Angelina with me. She had exams and she gets to get out early, but we're down the toy aisle looking at some things that we need for the show. And let me show you what Angelina found. This is so neat. So look, guys, they have like plus size Barbies. Isn't that just neat? I mean, the diversity yeah, the diversity that is now in the toy aisle is just beautiful. Look at Ken, look at him. Another plus size, and she is gorgeous. Look at her. I love it. All right, Mattel, I see what y'all trying to do. I see what you're doing. I see what you're doing. You know what? It's about time. I love it. I love it. I love it. Make all our babies feel included. Uh-oh, somebody left their phone. Oh. And then look at the little kid ones.
Oh my God, they have kids?
Isn't that cute? I love it. Hey, everybody. So it is after 8 and I have made it in from rehearsal. Y'all, it was just one of these long days, okay? I got to rehearsal maybe a little after 1. And so I'm just now getting in. I had to straighten up the kitchen and everything. I'm so tired. And so I got some Amazon packages in, and these are items that I ordered for the play. So now I'm just sitting here opening for these packages. These are the costumes that we needed for the show. So I'm opening up the packaging for the costumes. Just a few things. And hopefully everything else should be here by tomorrow. Because after all, our first show is Thursday. We're doing it for the student body at 1. And yeah, we're still collecting costumes. But anyway, so I'm just opening up some of these packages now, and I wanted to sit and chat with you guys a little bit. The show it's going. Still not a lot to be done. I really wish we had a whole nother week. Okay, if we had another week to get ready, that would be fabulous. But we don't. Oh, these right here, these are actually my pillow covers that I ordered. Aren't they pretty? It's just a gold and ivory looking Christmas tree. Really pretty. I think they're prettier in person than they were on Amazon. Oh, wow. And they feel amazing. These are gorgeous. These are 18 by 18 pillow covers. Isn't that pretty? But I needed, remember I told you guys, I still have not finished doing decorating. I mean, it's the 14th. Come on, Legenia. There were still some things that I needed to get, and I was just procrastinating. Well, I don't know if you want to call it procrastination, because I was really just getting ready for the show. So anyway, I was just slow to get it because things for this performance kept getting in the way, and that's all I was thinking about was the performance. But I love the pillows, the pillow covers. They feel really nice and soft. Okay, this is a lot nicer than I was expecting. So I'm gonna put this on my pillow here in just a little bit. But if you guys know anything about Sister Act, you know, if you know anything about the story, you know that the boyfriend gives the main character, Dolores, a blue fur. So this is the blue fur that I got. It actually looks a little purple, a little bit. Well, no, it looks blue. It looks blue. But actually it came in. It is perfect for the show. I'm so pleased. Also, we needed just like a white robe for one of the students who plays like priest. So got a white robe that we're going to put with the Catholic stole So got that. These are the only few items that came in. We had 3 items that came in. So anyway, got those. But yeah, guys, this is it. This is going to be a really, really short vlog today. I didn't get to do any filming during rehearsal, of course, but I just did want to check in with you guys and just see how things were going. I'm going to finish up here. I'm going to relax a little bit, get ready for bed. I'm going to show you some of the delicious things that I'm going to have to get to sleep tonight. So one of my delicious teas I'm going to be showing you here in just a little bit. So I'll be back with you in just a minute.